Next geometric figure is circle. Sorry, this point is called the center. This point is called the center, and this distance is called the radius of the circle. Here let us take it as C. C is the center of this circle, and R is the radius of this circle. Radius means any line segment. This is a line segment joining center to any point on the circle is called the radius of a circle. Here radius is represented by R. If we take a line segment joining any two points on the circle, passing through the center is called the diameter. Diameter is nothing but radius plus radius. This distance is R, and this distance is also R. R plus R gives us diameter. Radius plus radius, 2 into R. R plus R, 2 into R. This is diameter. Here R is the radius, D is the diameter. So diameter D is equal to 2R. Diameter D is equal to 2R. Area of a circle A is equal to pi R square. Pi R square. Here R is the radius of the circle. Radius means the distance from center to any point on the circle is called the radius. So A is equal to pi R square. This formula gives us area of a circle. Here R is the radius. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Next, circumference. Circumference means this is a curved figure, so it has circumference. For other figures we call it as perimeter. For circle this is called as circumference. This distance is called the circumference. To find circumference, formula is 2 pi R. 2 pi R. Circumference is equal to 2 pi R. C is equal to 2 pi R. C is equal to 2 pi R. We can also write instead of 2R means R plus R. 2R gives us radius plus radius. We can also write pi D. Circumference C is equal to pi D, or C is equal to 2 pi R. This formula gives us circumference of a circle. Okay, next. For a semicircle means half of the circle. If we want to find area of a semicircle, this is semicircle. This is the radius. We can take anywhere. These all distances are equal. This distance is called radius. If we want to find area of a semicircle means half of the circle. Area is equal to pi R square by 2. This is a sector. If angle is theta, then how can we find? This is the sector, then angle is theta and radius R. Then area, we can find area by multiplying with theta by 360 degrees. If we multiply this area and circumference with theta by 360 degrees, then we get area of sector and circumference of this sector. Length of the arc, this is called the arc. This is called the arc of the sector. If we want to find arc of this sector, formula is theta into R. If theta is in radians, theta into R. This is length, this is width. These are common for rectangle. Here another parameter is height. Length, breadth, height. L is equal to length, W width, W is equal to width, and H is equal to height. This is a cuboid. If we want to find the volume of this three-dimensional figure, if for two-dimensional figures we have only area, for three-dimensional figure it has some volume. So volume V is equal to length into width into height. Volume V is equal to L into W into H. Length into width into height gives us volume of this cuboid. Next, total surface area. It has total 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper face 5, 6. Total 6 faces. 6 faces. So total surface area, length, height. This is a rectangle. This is length, this is height, this is length, this is height. So area of this part is L into height, L into H. Similarly, area of this part is also L into H. LH plus LH, 2LH. LH plus LH. Similarly, area of this part, this is W, this is H. So W into H. Area of this part is W into H. Similarly, area of this part is W into H. WH plus WH, 2WH. Similarly, third part, this is length, this is width. So L into W. Area of this part is L into W. Similarly, area of the below part is L into W. LW plus LW, 2LW. So total surface area is equal to 2 into LH, sum of all these three results, 2 into LH plus 2 into WH plus 2 into LW, 2 into LW. Okay, H. This is the total surface area of this cuboid. Okay, let us see next figure. Next one, sphere. Sphere is the three-dimensional figure of related to circle. Circle is two-dimensional figure and sphere is three-dimensional figure. So it has also radius. So this is the radius R. What is the volume? Formula. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R cube is the formula to find the volume of a sphere. Next, what is the surface area? 4 into pi R square. Pi R square. For circle, pi R square is the area. For the sphere, 4 into pi R square. Okay. Next, cylinder. Right circular cylinder or cylinder. Let us see what is the, here R is the radius. It has circular shape in the middle and it has some height. Here R is the radius and H is the height. Volume V is equal to pi R square H. Area of the circle, if we multiply with it with height, we get the volume of a cylinder. Similarly, it has two circles. This top has one circle and this has one circle. Two circles. Area 2 pi r square and the curved surface area 2 pi r h. Okay. Next, right circular cone. Here r is the radius, h is the height. Here volume is pi r square h. This is the formula for volume of a cylinder. 1/3 of this volume gives us volume of a right circular cone. Okay, let us see what is the surface area. Surface area, it has curved surface area and it has curved surface area. This is curved surface area and the bottom part it has area. What is this bottom part is in a circular shape, so pi r square is the area of that circle. And what about this curved surface area? This curved surface area is pi r into root r square plus h square. Pi r into L means slant height. We can also write it as pi r L. L means slant height. This height is called the slant height. Here slant height L is equal to root r square plus h square. So we can also write it as pi r into root r square plus h square. This is the curved surface area. This curved surface area and bottom area pi r square. This is the total surface area of a right circular cone. Okay.